Hello friends, let's learn some Bangladeshi food name in English and Bangla. Oat apple, kotbel. Velvet apple, gap. Pineapple, anaros. Custard apple, atapol. Rose apple, jamrul. Star fruit, kamranga. Elephant apple, chalta. Ice apple, taler Jackfruit, kathal. Longan, katlichu. Pomelo, jambura. Tamarind, tetul. Java palm, jam. Lotkan, Have you ever eaten elephant apple? Let us know in the comment. Bye bye friends.